So lately I've been looking at a lot of mid-century modern Italian ceramics, especially Aldo Landi and Bitossi. So I thought I'd make a few vases drawing inspiration from the Rimini Blue series. Mid-century modern pottery from the 60s and 70s. One thing I love about Bitossi pottery is all the texture. And so, these vases have a lot of texture. Here's another one. I also hand-built a cat. Drawing inspiration from the Bitossi Cat. So I was thinking about how all that pottery has all this amazing color, and I was wondering about how I could achieve that. So I'm going to layer Celadons to see if I can bring out some of that special quality that all that Bitossi pottery has. I'm also going to be layering Underglaze to create even more spatial depth. By layering Underglaze and going over top with Celadon, I hope to achieve almost a watercolor layered effect. Now let's do our final coat of glaze in Cobalt Celadon. for this next vase, I'm going to use a watered down mixture, half part Celadon and half part water. Okay, let's do a final glaze and clear and see what the final results look like. And here are the finished vases. And finally, the cat. Yeah, they turned out all right, not too bad. They're gonna need a little bit more work. I want to make them better. But I had fun making these. And I may return to this. We will see in the future. Thanks for watching. Next up, I'm going to be decorating some cups. So come back and hang out at Adrian's Pottery Place.